is we are training our own Chinese network, and we are doing this to calculate semantic similarities between our inputs. So this is how we will be training our Chinese network. We will be loading our model, and then we have our fact checker. So our hallucination detection system is multi-level and multimodal. So it goes through three levels: factual, logical, and contextual. So for our fact checker, what we do is that we use NLPs to extract claims from the LLM output, the output that the LLM has given, and then we verify those claims against Wikipedia. We are using Wikipedia just for a prototype. Then for our then we have contextual hallucination detection. How do we do that? We do that by calculating similarities between the prompt and the LLM output that was given. We do this by using Chinese network, and the Chinese network that we trained just now. So the next one we have logical hallucination detection system. So what we do is that we the prompt that is given, we paraphrase it and we create different variations of that same prompt. We give those variations to our LLM and we get different outputs for different variations. How do we calculate those paraphrasing, and how do we calculate the different variations of the prompts? We use NLPs. We use synonyms to replace some words, and we use sentence restructuring. When we have different variations of the prompts, we give it to the LLM and we have different outputs. Then we check the similarities between the different outputs. How do we do that? We do that through the Siamese network that we just trained. And the final score, how do we calculate the final score? So the factual, the logical, and the contextual all give these three scores. And then we have a filter. And in that filter, a threshold there are three thresholds for the three of them. सो एंड इवन इफ अगर उनमें से एक भी ऐसा अपने थ्रेशोल्ड से ज्यादा निकल जाता है, यानी अगर एक भी हेलुसिनेशन हो रही है, तो हम उसको लेबल कर देते हैं एज हेलुसिनेशन, कि दैट इट इज हेलुसिनेटिंग इवन इफ वन ऑफ द हेलुसिनेशन इज प्रेजेंट, एंड वी हैव डिफरेंट थ्रेशोल्ड्स फॉर द थ्री.